If you're a working woman in front of the screen for long hours and you face stiffness around your shoulders and neck, then these postures are for you. Namaste. Few of the benefits for these postures are: it reduces the stiffness around your neck and shoulders, it reduces the tensions in your traps, it releases the stiffness from your entire upper, middle and lower back. So the first posture that we have is the cat and cow. For coming to the cat and cow, we come on all fours, basically the tabletop posture. So both the hands in one line, both the knees in one line with the hands. Your shoulder and wrist should be in one straight line. Your knees should be hip-width apart. Now, coming to the floor, as you inhale, rotate your shoulders back, look up and push your hip up. Make an arch of your spine. Exhale and round your back. Join your chin to chest and look towards the navel. Continue. Inhale and look up. Feel the tensions releasing from your upper, middle and lower back. Exhale and contract. Make a round of your spine. Slowly inhale, look towards the center. Exhale and relax. Now the second posture that we have is threading the needle. So you come to cat and cow posture once again. Now from here, take your right hand up, expand your chest. Feel the stretch in your body. Exhale, take your right hand from under the left hand. Drop your right shoulders on the mat. Now slowly walk forward with your left finger. Straighten the elbow. Now slowly take the left hand towards the right diagonal side. Now feel the expansion of the chest and the shoulder blades coming closer. Hold here for a few seconds. Exhale, take your hands back and release. Repeat the opposite on the opposite hand. Now inhale, left hand up. Hold, exhale and under the right, drop your shoulders. Work forward with your right hand straight, elbow straight. Now slowly take towards the left diagonal side and expand your chest. Now slowly inhale and release. Now the third posture that we have is the puppy pose. You come to the cat and cow posture again. Now from here, you drop your elbows on the mat. Now after dropping the elbows, slowly start straightening the elbow joint. So walk forward with your fingers, slightly move your hip forward. Now focus on touching the chest and the chin on the mat. So slowly exhale, lower your chest down and touching the chin on the mat. Look straight, feel the shoulder blades coming closer, the trap releasing its tensions and stay. Now slowly inhale, walk your hands back, exhale and release. Take a moment to observe the changes in your body. If you liked the flows, save and share it with the person who needs it. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more such yoga videos.